What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and we have got the security patch for July 2026 on this device. I received this update yesterday but I didn't have enough time to make a video, so today I'm posting a video about this particular update. Let's go to the settings, tap on software update. I have already updated the device, so let me show you the update size here. It's 486.12 MB and this is the security patch for July 2026 and the version number ends with DZG1. And in the changelog, there is nothing new mentioned here. There are no new features for the Galaxy S24 series. However, this update is supposed to fix any bugs or any battery drain issues on the device. And as far as the quick panel is concerned, it still stutters. After keeping the phone idle for some time, it does stutter when I open the quick panel. Otherwise, it is smooth. Once you start opening the quick panel, it looks really smooth. But you lock the device and keep it for some time and then you unlock the device, then the quick panel stutters for the first or the second time and then it works fine. This is an issue with almost all the Samsung Galaxy phones with One UI, and that issue has been fixed on One UI 9 beta currently on the Galaxy S26 series. Once we get the One UI 9 stable version on the Galaxy S24 series, this issue might get fixed. Now let's check out the Galaxy Store. Let's see if there is any new updates here. Yes, we do have a big list of updates for the applications. We have got an update for Quick Share. It's not something new. We have already seen this update on the Galaxy S25 series, S26 series, Samsung News. Samsung Keyboard has got a latest version here. Let's see the version number. This is 5.9.30.97. Then we have got autofill with Samsung. Bixby, it's the same version that we have on the S25 series and S26 series. We have got this on the S24 series as well. Sticker Center has got an update. There is no new features mentioned here. It is just the latest version 2.7.03.39. And we have updates for Good Lock as well. This was received a few days ago, and Display Assisted was received a few days ago. Now let's open a few applications and see how is the device performing. Let's start with the phone dialer, calculator, reminder, gallery application, Wallverse, calendar. Let's go to Recents app. Looks fine without any issues. There is no stutter or lag. Let's close all of them. Let's press and hold on the home screen. No stutters whatsoever. Now, as far as the battery performance is concerned, I'm not very sure how is the device performing because I didn't get a chance to test this device for the full day. You guys let me know how is your battery performance in the comment section. That will definitely help the community. And also let me know how is the device performance. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I will be posting some contents on the Galaxy watches. Stay tuned for that. They will be very useful. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to download Wallverse wallpaper application. The home screen wallpaper and this depth effect lock screen wallpaper that you see are all available on the Wallverse application. That's about it. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.